Hi guys! So, ngayon itatry natin yung PG Tech ND filter for DJI Pocket 2. So, ayan. Ito ngayon yung walang filter. Wala siyang filter. Then, lalagay natin yung filter. Okay, this is the ND8. This is the ND8 filter. So, tanggalin natin. Ayan. Yan yung walang filter. Okay, next, itatry natin yung ND16. Ayan. ND16 filter. ND16 filter. Okay, tanggalin natin ulit. Okay, ito no filter. No filter. And then let's try the ND32. This is the ND32. ND32. Tanggalin natin. This is the no filter. No filter. Try naman natin yung ND64. Wait lang. Yan. ND64. Mas naging darker yung skies, napansin ko. Yeah. Sige, ito ND64 yan ha. So, try natin tanggalin. Yan. Okay. That's it. Thank you.